Fine, let me start solving the fourth problem based on what Sainik School entrance 2017. Let us start working on this. Find the simple interest. If p is equal to 400, they have given p is equal to 400, right? R they have given it is 3.65% per annum they have given, right? Time they have given 150 days. That I need to convert in terms of year. That is t is equal to, that is 150 that divided by 365. Right, now we are supposed to find what is the simple interest. Right, simple interest I need to find. Right, let me calculate that. We know that simple interest is equal to p tr by 100. Now what is p? P is 400, t is, that is 150 by 365 into r is 3.65, that divided by 100, right? That divided by 100. Now simplify it here. This two zeros I'll cancel. 365, 3.65 here, 365, which is nothing but 100. So now we got 150 divided by 100, that into 4, right? This zero I'll cancel, correct? Now 15 fours are 60 by 10, which is going to be 6 rupees. The interest we are going to get is rupees 6, correct? Rupees 6, right? That is the answer.